Today we are going to see the topic operations on matrices. Operations on matrices. That is addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction. So here matrices order equal addition and subtraction possible. Illana impossible. Right. Then multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then find 3A. 3A, that is 6, 9, 15, 21. That is 3A. Here 3 is the scalar. So 3 into A is equal to 6, 9, 15, 21. Next one. Properties of matrices. Then A plus B is equal to B plus A, that is commutative property. Next one, associative property. A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Right. Next one, additive identity. Null matrix or zero matrix is the additive identity. Next one, additive inverse. Then minus, for example, the matrix A. Here minus A is the additive inverse of A. Right. Next. Now we see exercise 3.18. If A is equal to, first sum, if A is equal to 1, 9, 3, 4, 8, minus 3. Here A is order of 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3 by 2. Then B is equal to 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Here also 1, 2, 3, 3 rows. Then 1, 2, 2 columns. Then verify that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here A plus B is possible because 3 by 2, A is order of 3 by 2 and also B is order of 3 by 2. First solution, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Left hand side, A plus B is equal to A 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3 plus B 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. That is A plus B. Here A is order of 3 by 2 and also B is order of 3 by 2. Then A plus B is possible. Adding corresponding elements. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Then 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Next 3 plus 3. Then 4 plus 3. Then 8 plus 1. Then minus 3 plus 0. Minus 3 plus 0. Then we get 6, 16, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 1, 9, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. That is A plus B, left hand side. Then right hand side, that is B plus A. Then B plus A is equal to B 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0 plus A 1, 9, 3, 4, 1, 9, 3, 4. Then 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Here also adding corresponding elements. Then 5 plus 1, 7 plus 9, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 4, then 1 plus 8, 0, minus 3, because plus and minus, so 0 minus 3, then 0, plus of minus 3, plus and minus, so minus 3, right. Then 6, 16, 6, 7, 1 plus 8, 9, minus 3. That is right hand side. That is first equation, then second equation. From 1 and 2 we have a plus b is equal to b plus a. That's all. Matrix addition is commutative. Next one, second subdivision, a plus of minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0. Verify பண்ணும். இது simple. First என்ன செய்யணும், a ஓட additive units எடுக்கணும். ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணா 0 தான் வரும். ஏன்னா a is plus 1 அதனுடைய additive units minus 1 வரும். Plus 1 minus 1 cancel 0. And also plus 9 minus 9 cancel 0. That's all. Second subdivision homework easy. That's all. Second sum, if a is equal to 4 3 1 2 3 minus 8 1 0 minus 4, then b is equal to 2 3 4 1 9 2 minus 7 1 minus 1, and c is equal to 8 3 4 1 minus 2 3 2 4 minus 1. Then verify that a plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This distributive property for matrix addition, left hand side. Then a plus of b plus c. First we are finding inside of the bracket. Then b plus c is equal to b 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 9 2 minus 7 1 minus 1 plus c, then 8 3 4 1 minus 2 3 2 4 minus 1 2 4 minus 1. Here a, b and c all are 3 by 3 matrix. So b plus c possible, and also a plus b also possible. Then adding corresponding elements. Then 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 4 8, 1 plus 1 2, 9 minus 2 7, 2 plus 3 5, minus 7 plus 2 we get minus 5, 1 plus 4 5, minus 1 we get minus 2. That is b plus c. Then a plus of b plus c is equal to a 4 3 1 2 3 minus 8 1 0 minus 4 plus of b plus c 10 6 8 2 7 5 2 7 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 2, right. Then here also adding corresponding elements. 4 plus 10 14, 3 plus 6 9, 1 plus 8 9, 2 plus 2 4, then 3 plus 7 10, minus 8 plus 5 we get minus 3, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 plus 5 5, minus 4, then minus 2 minus 6. Therefore a plus of b plus c. Therefore a plus of b plus c is equal to 14 9 9 4 10 minus 3 minus 4 5 minus 6. That is equation number 1. Then right hand side, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Then first we are finding the inside of the bracket. A plus b, a 4 3 1 2 3 minus 8 1 0 minus 4 plus b 2 3 4, then 1 9 2 minus 7 1 minus 1. Then 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 3 6, 1 plus 4 5, then 2 plus 1 3. Then 3 plus 9, 12. Minus 8 plus 2 we get minus 6. 1 minus 7 minus 6. 0 plus 1 1. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Here a plus b is equal to 6 6 5. 3 12 minus 6 minus 6 1 minus 5. Then a plus b plus c. Then a plus b 6 6 5 3 12 minus 6 minus 6 1 minus 5 plus c. 8 3 4 8 3 4 1 minus 2 3. Then 2 4 minus 1 2 4 minus 1. 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 3 9. 5 plus 4 9. Then 3 plus 1 4. 12 minus 2 10. Minus 6 plus 3 we get minus 3. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. 1 plus 4 5. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. That is equation number 2. Then 14 9 9 plus 4. 4 10 minus 3 second row. Minus 4 5 minus 6. That is second row. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have a plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Hence it is verified. That's all. Add sum. Find x and y. If x plus y is equal to 7 0 3 5 and x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 4. Let us take x plus y is equal to 7 0 3 5. This is equation number 1. And also x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 4. It is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 7 0 3 5. X minus y is equal to 3 0 0 4. Adding 1 and 2. So plus y minus y cancel. Then 1x plus 1x 2x. Okay, but plus y minus y cancel. X plus 1x plus 1x is equal to 2. X is equal to 7 0 3 5 plus 3 0 0 4. Right. Then 7 plus 3 10. 0 plus 0 0. 3 plus 0 3. Then 5 plus 4 9. That is 2x. Then x is equal to 2 shift to right hand side, divide up. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 10 0 10 0. Then 3 9 3 9. Then x is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 1 by 2 into 0 1 by 2 into 3. Then 1 by 2 into 9. Multiply 1 by 2 on each terms. Then 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. Then x is, therefore x is equal to 5 0 3 by 2. Then 9 divided by 2. That is x. Right. Next step, subtract 2 from 1. 2 from 1. So x plus y is equal to 7 0 3 5. Then x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 4. Subtract 2 from 1. 1 ல இருந்து 2 subtract பண்றோம். So minus plus minus. So plus x minus x cancel. Then 2y is equal to then 7 0 3 5 minus 3 0 0 4, then 7 0 3 5, then plus இங்க additive என்ன சொல்றோம். So minus இருந்தா plus எடுத்துட்டு இங்க each term minus opposite side எடுத்துறோம். Then 0 minus 4, then 7 minus 3 4, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 0 3 plus 0 3, then 5 minus 4 1, that is 2y. Then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 0 3 1, right. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4, then 1 by 2 into 0, then 1 by 2 into 3, then 1 by 2 into 1. Therefore y is equal to 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 3 by 2 1 by 2. That's all. இத செகண்ட் டைம் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணியும் போடலாம், ஆர் இந்த x ஓட வேல்யூவை ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன்ல ஏதாவது ஒன்று அப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா y ஓட வேல்யூ டைரக்டா எடுத்துடலாம். That's all. Fourth sum, if a is equal to 0 4 9 8 3 7, b is equal to 7 3 8 1 4 9, find the values of first subdivision b minus 5a, second subdivision 3a minus 9b. First subdivision b minus 5a is equal to b 7 3 8 1 4 9 minus 5a 0 4 9 8 3 7, right. b minus 5 into a, and 7 3 8 1 4 9, it is b minus 5 multiply into each term, then 5 into 0 0, then 5 into 0 0, 5 into 4 20, then 5 into 9 45, then 5 into 8 40, then 5 into 3 15, then 5 into 7 35, 5 sums are 35, right. Then 7 3 8 1 4 9 plus, so the minus inside the multiply பண்றோம், 0 minus 20 minus 45, then minus 40 minus 15 minus 35. So the minus இருக்கு, இந்த பிளஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா இங்க அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட் சைடு எடுக்கணும், right. Then 7 plus 0 7, 3 minus 20 minus 17, 8 minus 45 37. Next one, minus 37, 1 minus 40 minus 39, 4 minus 15 minus 11, 9 minus 35 26, right. Minus 26, that is b minus 5a. That's all. Second subdivision 3a minus 9b, 3a minus 9b is equal to 3 into a, 0 4 9 8 3 7 minus 9b, 9 into b, 7 3 8 1 4 9, then 3 into 0 0, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, then minus 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27, 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 9 9s are 81. right? Then 0, 0, 12, 27, 0, 12, 27, then 24, 9, 21, 24, 9, 21, minus, plus, minus 63, then minus 27, then minus 72, then minus 9, minus 36, minus 81, then 0 minus 63 minus 63, 27 minus 27 plus 12 minus 27 we get minus 15, 72 minus 72 plus 27, 12 minus 7 5, 6 minus 2 4, 45 minus 45, then 24 minus 9 15 plus 15, then 9 minus 36 minus 27, then 21 minus 8 minus 81, 21, then 0 minus 60, minus 60, that's all. Therefore 3a minus 9b is equal to 3a minus 9b is equal to minus 63 minus 15 minus 45, 15 minus 27 minus 60, that's all. Fifth sum, find the values of x comma y comma z if first subdivision x minus 3, 3x minus z, x plus y plus 7, x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 0, 1, 6. The given matrices are equal, so corresponding units also equal. So x minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus 3. Therefore x is equal to 4. Right. Then x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus 7. X plus y plus 7 is equal to x plus y plus 7 is equal to 1. Then x plus y is equal to 1 minus 7. We get x plus y is equal to minus 6. Substituting x is equal to 4 in there. Then 4 plus y is equal to minus 6. Then y is equal to minus 6 minus 4. We get y is equal to minus 10. We get y is equal to minus 10. Right. The next one, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, or 3x minus z is equal to 0. 3x minus z is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 4. So 3 into 4 minus z is equal to 0. 3 into 4, 12. Minus z is equal to 0. Then 12 is equal to minus z. Shift to right hand side. Sorry. Yes, right hand side plus z. Therefore, z is equal to 12. Hence, x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 10, and z is equal to 12. That's all. Second subdivision. Then x 1 row, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So 1 by 3, and also 1 row 3 columns. So the first add pannom. Then x plus y, then y minus z plus 4. Y minus z plus 4. Then z plus 3 plus 3. Z plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 4, 8, 16. 4, 8, 16. So, correct. The given matrices are equal. Sorry. Here, left hand side is equal to right hand side, because left hand side 1, 2, 3, 1 by 3. Right hand also 1 by 3 matrices. So, x plus y is equal to 4. Then y minus z plus 4 is equal to 8. Then z plus 6 is equal to 16. Then z plus, sorry, z is equal to 16 minus 6, we get z is equal to 10. We get z is equal to 10. Substituting z is equal to 10 here, then y minus 10 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then y minus 6 is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 8 plus 6. We get y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14. Right. Next one, x plus y is equal to 14. Substituting y is equal to 14 here. X plus 14 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 14. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10. So, easy check verification பண்ணிக்கலாம்ப்பா. First one பாத்தீங்கன்னா x plus y இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 4 வரும் நமக்கு. Because minus 10 plus 14 we get plus 4. So a11 a11 equal, and also y minus z plus 4, y minus z 14 minus 10 plus 4 we get 14 minus 10 4 plus 4 8. So a2 1 2 is equal to a1 2, and also z plus 6, here z is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Sixth sum, find x and y if x into 4 minus 3 plus y into minus 2 3 is equal to 4 6. Multiply x into each term, then x into 4 4x, then x into minus 3 minus 3x, plus y into minus 2 minus 2y, y into 3 3y or 3y is equal to 4 6. Here 1 2 by 1 2 by 1, and also 1 2 by 1 2 by 2, sorry 2 by 1. So addition is positive. So 4x minus 2y minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 4 6. Then equality side. Here also 1 2 by 1 2 by 1 and also 2 by 1. The matrices are equal. Corresponding elements also equal. 4x minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. Then equation number 1 and equation number 2. Multiply the algebraic equation method வந்திருக்கு, linear equation. So இதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு டேர்மை எலிமினேட் பண்ணணும். So இங்க மைனஸ் பிளஸ் ரெண்டுமே ஆப்போசிட் சைடுல தான் இருக்கு. So first equation 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா இங்க 6 வந்துரும், and also இங்க 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா இங்க 6 வந்துரும். So 1 into 3 implies 4 3s are 12x minus 6y is equal to 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 12. Then 2 into 2 implies minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 2 6 are 12. Adding 1 and 2, minus 6y plus 6y cancel. 12 minus 6 6x is equal to 24. Then x is equal to 24 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6, 4 6 are 12. Therefore x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. Substituting x is equal to 4 in 2. Right. Substituting x is equal to 4 in 2. Minus 3 into 4 plus 3y is equal to 3y is equal to 6. ஏன் சார் 2 அப்ளை பண்றீங்க? 1 அப்ளை பண்ணலாம்ல சார் அப்படினா நீங்க மைனஸ் இருக்கு, அதனால தான் 2 அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம். இங்க பாசிட்டிவ் வரும்போது நமக்கு ஈஸி. minus 3 into 4 plus 3y is equal to 6. minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 6. Then 3y is equal to 6 plus 12. Then 3y is equal to 18. Therefore y is equal to 18 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. Y is equal to 6. இங்க வெரிஃபிகேஷனுக்கு சான்சஸ் இருக்குப்பா because இங்க x is equal to 4 y is equal to 6 1 ல அப்ளை பண்ணுங்க 4 into 4 minus 2 into 6 is equal to 4 4 into 4 16 minus 2 into 6 12 is equal to 4 16 minus 12 4 then 4 is equal to 4 so x and y values are absolutely correct that's all